Goody, goody, goody. Let me just... The voice... not the voice, I mean... Let me make it louder. Whoa! I'm dead. Nope. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. Jeez. I heard the footsteps that he was going back to the hallway. Oh, let me eat some Oreos. I heard the footsteps going back to the hallway. They opened the door and flashed the light out of the hallway. She could kill me. How? She went back to the hallway. How can that be possible? Let me just drink some water. I want to drink some water. Okay. So, great. Sorry, I'm eating some Oreos. That's why mine was like that. Okay. The nightmares is Nightmare supposed to appear in night 6 in 4 a.m.? I don't know, because I just saw that in a video. So, anyways, guys, let's just start. Or this time we're gonna listen. We're not gonna talk. Here we go. Good. Whoa. Come on. Oh no, come on. I'm gonna be dead right now. I'm dead. He's not coming. I'm dead. Yep. It was Freddy. How can I end this video right now? Because it's so hard to play and it's so scary. I don't know how many minutes did this video go on. I'm sure it's a short time because I don't know. I just played it 2 times and I just died twice in night 7. Oh, just to start the game. Let's play with plus ship. Shh. Move, damn it. I can't hear shit. Come on, move. I'm dead. We did make Foxy. We did make Fredbear. Oh, wait, what is that? Oh, okay. Demolition is done. I'll play that in the next video. So, guys, I hopefully have to end this video here because I can't finish. I can't. It's impossible. It's insanity. It's insanity. It's insanity to even try. Okay, guys. So if you liked it, punch that like button in the face like a boss. And if this has been the first video about me, please like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.